Whoa! Oh, am I neglecting you guys? Okay, here. Come on, you got some. There you go. Oops, missed it. How about you? Got it? That one got it.
Oh, dude, did you hear the...
Almost. Come on, there you go. That one got it. You gotta get the one that's right over, that comes really close, right over my head. That one. Hang on. Got it?
Yep, I got some footage of it. It's making really cool bird-esque footage.
That one got a piece. That one got his piece. Or her piece.
Hi, what you got to say?
Ready? Go! Got it? Got it.
Oh, that's awesome. Hi. Can I do an interview for you? What do you got to say? What? Oh, you don't... Oh, you're too shy? Okay. Oh, okay. That embarrassed you.
You're being good.
Oh, you got... Oh, and never mind. You had one hovering.
Oh, I didn't notice. Okay, ready, guys? Get it! Nope.
Oh, no.
Come on.
Whoa.
You're too high.
Whoa. Hey, no fighting, guys.
Oh, that one got it.
Oh, man. Hi. How are you doing today? Can we do an interview? Okay, you want to hiss at me. Because you're being... Hi, ladies. How are you guys doing? Oh, you got something to say. Tell me about your new movie. Heard you starring with Donald Duck.
Go!
Ah! Crazy birds.
You got it, though. Get it! Oh, sorry. I've had tons of them get them, so you had to get some of them.
Yeah, I did.
Right here. Oh, here it comes, here it comes.
Okay,
Here
sorry.
it comes.
Whoa, nice catch.
Nice catch? No?
Okay. Chasing.
Here you go, pretty girl.
Hey, no bad seagull.
Oh, sorry. Missed it. Hang on, guys.
Okay.
Get it? You got it.
Yeah.
Oh! The seagull's trying to drown that duck.